In the world of aerial combat, some aircraft are feared, some are admired. Few are both. The F-22 Raptor is one of them. It is fast, agile, and nearly invisible. It is the embodiment of the fifth-generation fighter concept. Since its introduction in 2005, the F-22 has redefined what it means to control the skies. Imagine an aircraft that can cruise faster than sound without afterburners. One that can climb higher, turn sharper, and strike with precision. That aircraft is real. It is not science fiction. It is the F-22. The story of the F-22 begins in the late 1980s. The U.S. Air Force recognized the need for a fighter capable of surviving in a highly advanced air combat environment. Fourth-generation aircraft like the F-15 and F-16 were powerful, but new threats were emerging. Advanced enemy fighters, integrated air defense systems, and surface-to-air missiles demanded a new design. The Advanced Tactical Fighter Program was launched. Lockheed Martin, in partnership with Boeing and General Dynamics, developed a prototype that would become the F-22. After years of testing, refinement, and innovation, the Raptor was ready. In 2005, it officially entered service with the U.S. Air Force. The F-22 was designed with one goal: absolute air superiority. It would be faster, stealthier, and more lethal than any adversary. It would dominate the sky in any scenario, anywhere on the planet. Stealth is the heart of the F-22. Its shape, materials, and coatings reduce radar detection to a minimum. Unlike older fighters, it can approach targets without being noticed. This gives pilots the advantage before the enemy even knows a fight has begun. The airframe is sleek and angular, designed to deflect radar signals. Radar-absorbent materials cover key surfaces. Even its engine nozzles are designed to minimize infrared and radar signatures. Stealth does not only mean invisibility. It also allows the F-22 to operate in environments where older aircraft would be vulnerable. Surface-to-air missiles, integrated air defenses, and enemy fighters become less of a threat. Stealth is freedom. It is power. It is survival. The F-22 is one of the few fighters capable of supercruise. Supercruise means sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. This saves fuel, extends range, and increases survivability. It can supercruise at around Mach 1.82 and reach a top speed of Mach 2.25. At over 2,400 kilometers per hour, it outpaces almost every aircraft in the world. Combined with its stealth, speed allows the F-22 to dictate engagements. It can strike, disengage, and reposition faster than most enemies can react. Speed alone does not win air battles. Maneuverability is equally important. The F-22 is highly agile. Its engines feature thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing extreme maneuvering. The fighter can perform sharp turns, rapid climbs, and sudden rolls that older aircraft cannot match. Pilots describe it as feeling like an extension of their body. The Raptor responds instantly to control inputs, giving unmatched precision in dogfights. Its aerodynamics are designed for both high-speed interception and close-quarters combat. Whether in a vertical climb or a low-level engagement, the F-22 can outperform virtually any opponent. The F-22 is not just fast and stealthy. It is deadly. At its core, it carries the M61A2 20mm rotary cannon for close-range engagements. For longer ranges, it carries AM-120C AMRAAM and AM-9X Sidewinder missiles. It can carry air-to-ground weapons for precision strikes, though its primary role is air superiority. Its weapons are integrated with advanced sensors. The pilot can track multiple targets simultaneously. The F-22 can engage enemies before they even know it is there. In modern aerial combat, this is the ultimate advantage. Technology sets the F-22 apart. Its radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems are fully integrated. This sensor fusion allows pilots to see the battlefield with unmatched clarity. Data is shared in real time with other aircraft and command centers. The Raptor becomes not just a fighter, but a command node in the sky. It can coordinate attacks, provide intelligence, and control engagements seamlessly. Even in complex combat scenarios, the F-22 pilot maintains situational awareness far beyond what older aircraft can achieve. Though it has rarely been used in full-scale combat, the F-22 has proven itself repeatedly in exercises. During Red Flag and other joint exercises, F-22s consistently dominated older fighters. F-15s, F-16s, and even advanced adversary simulations struggled to match its capabilities. The Raptor's presence alone often changes the dynamics of an exercise. It is more than a plane, it is a deterrent. Enemy forces know that if the F-22 is in the sky, air superiority is guaranteed. The F-22 is a cornerstone of U.S. air strategy. It ensures control of the skies in any theater. It protects Allied forces and provides rapid response to threats. Its stealth and speed make it ideal for penetrating contested airspace. Its sensor fusion allows it to coordinate with other assets, including F-35s, bombers, and AWACS. It is a force multiplier. One F-22 can influence the outcome of an entire aerial campaign. Creating a fifth-generation fighter is not simple. The F-22 uses advanced alloys, stealth coatings, and composite materials. Its engines are among the most sophisticated ever built for a fighter. Maintenance is streamlined, but still demanding. Highly trained crews ensure that each aircraft is mission-ready at all times. Every flight requires precision, discipline, and care. When the F-22 entered service, it set a new standard. No other country had an aircraft combining stealth, speed, maneuverability, and sensor fusion at this level. It created a technological gap that remains today. Other nations have since developed fifth-generation fighters, like Russia's Su-57 or China's J-20. Yet the F-22 continues to be unmatched in its combination of capabilities. For pilots, the F-22 is more than a machine. Every takeoff is a declaration of power. Every sortie is a test of skill and strategy. It is precise, responsive, and commanding. Flying the F-22 is a unique blend of technology and human mastery. Even as new aircraft enter service, the F-22 remains a vital asset. Its stealth, speed, and avionics continue to provide unmatched capabilities. It will remain the standard for air superiority for decades. The philosophy behind it is simple. Be fast, be unseen, be lethal. Ensure that no enemy can challenge your dominance in the sky. The F-22 Raptor is more than an aircraft. It is a symbol of technological achievement. It is a master of the skies. It makes enemies wary and allies confident. It embodies the future of air combat. Fast, stealthy, precise, unmatched. The F-22 Raptor, the ultimate predator of the skies.